Today's question is, find all pairs xy of integers such that x cube is equal to y cube plus 2y square plus 1. Let's try to solve this question. From the equation we have been given that x cube is equal to y cube plus 2y square plus 1 implies x cube minus y cube is equal to 2y square plus 1. Now since 2y square plus 1 is always positive, we can write this as 2y square plus 1 is greater than 0. Hence x cube minus y cube is greater than 0. That means x is greater than y. Now since x is greater than y, we can rewrite this as x is greater than equal to y plus 1. We will write this as x is greater than equal to y plus 1, and if we cube on both the sides, we get x cube is greater than equal to y plus 1 whole cube. Now we can expand y plus 1 whole cube, and instead of writing x cube, we can write x cube as y cube plus 2y square plus 1. We get y cube plus 2y square plus 1 is greater than equal to y cube plus 3y square plus 3y plus 1. Now we move entire left hand side towards the right hand side and we subtract the value. So we get 0 is greater than equal to y square plus 3y. Now we move 3y towards the left hand side. So we get minus 3y is greater than equal to y square. Now if you try to find all the values of y for the equation to be true, we get y as 0, minus 1, minus 2 and minus 3. If you put anything positive, this left hand side will be negative and right hand side will be positive, and negative cannot be greater than equal to positive. So y will be less than 0. But if you put anything less than minus 3, we get minus 4 as 12 on the left hand side and 16 on the right hand side, which is also not true. The values of y are 0, minus 1, minus 2 and minus 3. Now to find the value of x, one by one we are going to put the values of y in this equation. So we get, for the first value of y, which is 0, we put 0 plus 1, which is x cube is equal to 1. That means y is 0 and x is 1. For the second value, minus 1, if we put the value, we have minus 1 plus 2, which is 1 plus 1 is 2. So x cube is equal to 2. We do not have any integer for which x cube will be 2. Hence, for y is minus 1, x is not an integer. For the third value, minus 2, we put y as minus 2, we get minus 8 plus 8, which is 0, plus 1 is 1. So x cube is 1. So we can write this as, for value of y as minus 2, x is 1. If we put minus 3, we get minus 27 plus 9 multiplied by 2, 18, which is minus 9 plus 1 as minus 8. So for y as minus 3, we get x as minus 2. So the all possible solutions for this equation as x cube equals to y cube plus 2y square plus 1, we get the answer as 3 pairs of x and y, 1 0, 1 minus 2 and minus 2 minus 3. I hope you like this video.